So exactly, so I understand it's not only about the evacuation plan, it's about a systematic evacuation plan in a systematic manner so that there should not be the rush situation among anyone in case of fire. And as Sir said, their initiative of identifying the people who are inside. So if this both goes hands in hand to understand where the people are in the vicinity and doing the proper evacuation, maybe with the manual announcement or having the exit signages, the assembly points, and the NAC circuits, which give the clear indication or the speech to know the occupants about the fire and what to be followed and how to be followed, then that's really a game changer, I would say, in case of an incident. So with this, sir, I would like to understand, Anandji, from you about what typical frequencies you see. Having a fire system or safety and security system is one thing. Maybe in an initial time to get the NOCs and the OCs, the people get the systems, but maintaining them over the period of time and effectively following the norms and standards. So, can you put a light on that topic, that how to maintain, what are the frequencies and the challenges and the outcomes of it?
Yeah, sure. As you pointed out very rightly, OC and NOC is just one part. It's just your building has got the OC, and our building is also a living structure. That means people are going in and out every single day. So the routine maintenance becomes very important. I'm giving my answer specific to the gift city, and then I'll give answer to the normal content without the gift city. The great practice that gift city has started is the quarterly audit, fire audit, and they come and check everything. They check your BMS integration, they check your sensor, they ask you to show them every single thing with respect to fire and safety is working. Now that is because they have a quarterly audit system. Otherwise, I would say a diligent measure is required, something a protocol of following the best practices for the scheduled maintenance, or maybe NFPA 72, they can refer as a guideline that what maintenance should be done. There should be a good awareness and routine sessions that need to be given to the facility management team, because there are two parts. One is the project team. Like you said, after OC is obtained, project team is actually out. The facility management team is there. So it's important to have a strong facility management team by norm, where a good fire officer should be there as a part of facility management team. Their role is to check all the sensors, make sure, small things. For example, if the sensor gets the dust, its performance is impacted. So I think the scheduled maintenance should be a part of the facility management. For gift city, it becomes easy. For others, it has to be either a norm by the state fire or maybe by the developer itself. So that should help.
Yeah, thank you, Anandji, for that. With this, I would like to take a question to Dileshji. Most of the time, we have seen the developers or the end users, they talk about what is the ROI, the return on investment. Also, for the sake of this fire safety, why they need this expensive or whatever. There are always the questions. But when it comes to the technology, the life-saving system, how you see after this point about ROI when it comes to fire safety, to collaborate and balance out the things of budget of the end user along with having a good, rather a best of the systems in place?
So, well, there is definitely there is a cost involved, but yes, I see we in QCD have seen it from some other point of view, because most of the customers which we have are big customers like Bank of America, Oracle, TCS, and these big customers actually, Google and Microsoft of the world. For them, safety of the individual is of the utmost importance. And any building which doesn't have, I won't say basic, but even if few things are missing in addressing such situation or the fire situation, they won't go with it actually. So for most of the buildings, a fire detection system, the emergency system, and our integration with city command and control system has become the unique selling proposition that is safe for our employees. So they take utmost care for having these buildings in place. So I think whatever money is spent on this IBMS intelligent building management system or fire alarm system, I think that pays off continuously with everyone who is willing to take this space. This is something which they feel should have, and I think it's definitely giving great return on investments, whatever you make actually. Right on the day one.